Hi farmers and aspiring farmers, this is AquaHub Kenya, where we deal with different types of irrigation systems, greenhouses and solar dryers. And in this episode, we are constructing a solar dryer in Juja, and we want to take you through the materials we use, how the structure is, and how the drying trays are. In this particular session, our client is dealing with plantains, so they want to dry their plantains for them to, one, reduce the post-harvest losses they encounter when they harvest and there is no market, and two, they want to increase the shelf life of their products, and with this they are able to sell on the low seasons and make good profits. The first thing we do is to construct the metal frame, that is the shell of the structure. So this shell comprises of steel metal, that is we use a 42 mm steel that is heavy, that is 1.5 inches, and it's 16 gauge, that means it's heavy, ndio isibebwe na upepo. And with this structure tunapiga, kwa hiyo structure tunaweka profile, and this profile ndio inatumika kufasten the 200 micron greenhouse paper kwa hiyo structure. Ndio ikuwe strong, and it can, in case you want to move it to another place, it can be easier to move around. So the skeleton is made up of the outer shell, and then in the inside we have the platform where we put our nets that make up the drying rack, and as you can see there are 3 on each side. So this is the complete shell of the outside and the inside of the solar dryer. Once you are done doing the structure, sasa tunaingia ndani, ndio tunaanza kutengeneza the drying trays or the drying racks. Our drying racks in this case, they are made of a net. Hii neti ndio tunaweka kwa hizi shelves, hizi frames zenye tumeweka on each side, 3 of them as you can see. So in these shelves tunaekelea this net, and as you can see the net iko na tushimo, but it is strong. This is to allow kukuwe na airflow kwa hizo shelves as your things are drying, and also inasaidia, it is recommended because it is good for food grade, so it helps not to have contamination inside here on whatever food product you will be drying, that is any farm produce. We have a net on top and a net on top in the front and on top behind. This net is to allow kukuwe na enough airflow, air that is getting in and air that is getting out. Now the next thing we do is to cover the structure, and what we use while covering the structure is a 200 clear polyethylene, that is 200 micron clear polyethylene. This polyethylene allows the heat, it taps the heat from the sun, and then inasaidia ikuwe trapped hapa ndani, juu hiyo joto ndio tunatumia kukausha vitu ndani ya solar dryer. Na with that, chini tunaweka karatasi ya black. Hii karatasi ya black as you can see inaitwa dam liner. This allows kukuwe na the same heat that iko shelf ya juu ndio the same iko kwa shelf ya chini, juu ina tap in that energy enye the karatasi imesaidia ku tap in, so inasaidia ku retain. If you are a farmer or you are a person who is into value addition and you are looking to acquire a solar dryer to help you reducing time in drying your products or to help you in reducing post-harvest losses, we at Aqua Hub Kenya are your to-go place because we got the best solutions for you. Our solar dryers are suitable for both fruits, cereals, and coffee. So with this, solve a lot of post-harvest losses in your farm. Karibuni sana Aqua Hub. We are located in Utawala near Lexo petrol station, or you can call the numbers below or check out our website.